Hey guys, it's Alan. Did you guys like that episode? Sure hope you did, because we're already working on the next one. Quick question. Who can tell me the answer to this math problem? You have...
He's going to say we have 5 seconds, but I'll go ahead and not do that. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 8, well, that's just 16 plus 16, which is 32. 7 plus 32 is 39.
5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next question. Which switches need to be closed to light the light bulb? 5.
In order to create a complete closed circuit, only the blue and the red switches must be closed.
4, 3, 2, 1. And finally, what is the answer to this question?
Okay, so here we have a little system of equations, and I will go ahead and solve that.
Now, the system might seem a bit tedious, but it's actually really easy once you realize that these two equations right here both have their minus y. Well, it becomes pretty clear. Now, I'm not going to use the colors the whole time because that's just going to get a bit annoying, frankly. So what we can do here is we can actually rearrange this and we get that x, and you'll notice here we have y plus z, and we know what z is. So this means that y plus z, which is y plus 4, plus y plus 4 is going to be equal to 6. So now we can sub back in here. And finally, which one do we don't have w. So now we know that w minus x, which is 17, is going to be equal to 1. So now we have our values for this system. I don't know why my family's being so loud, I'm sorry. They always choose the worst times to start yelling at each other across the house. Red is going to be z, so we have 5. We have 5, blank, blank, 5, blank. Wow, so we have a weird number here. 5,117,518. So what does this mean? These actually correspond to letters of the alphabet. This thing right here actually spells E, A, Q, E, R, where A corresponds to 1 and so on. This is actually a Caesar cipher of shift 4 in that direction. So if we get aw man.
So yeah, this spells aw man.
So I won't tell you the correct answers, but I will say that the answers are a hint to a
They're a hint. So what does this tell us? Well, this is episode 37, and
future episode.
This is equal to 39. So it's telling us that this hint is for episode 39, not the next episode. And right here, the required switches to be closed are blue and red, which tells us that blue and red are actually going to play a pretty pivotal role in the episode. And finally, right here, this gives us aw man. Well, this is actually from a Minecraft song / meme, and this means that the episode is going to have a huge focus on creepers. So yeah, that was kind of fun. It took me 5 minutes, but it was pretty interesting. It was pretty fun. Yeah, I like stuff like this.
Until it's done, until the song